Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff and today we have a surprise package from Adidas to check out. I'm not entirely sure what's inside, but I kind of have a hint with all the teasing that they've been doing lately. Of course, you guys probably already know from the title of this video, but humor me for a little bit here. Okay, so this box doesn't really fit in my normal camera setup, so we're gonna do things a little differently today. Okay, so let's open up the box. Holy crap, it's the UltraBoost 20. Judging from all that cool spray painting, branding right there. And yeah, there's my name, Clinton Jeff. This is so cool. You also see the Adidas branding and the ISS National Lab branding as well. I'll talk about that later on. Okay, let me just quickly look at the sides of this box as well. This is crazy. Honestly, guys, this box is insane. I mean, holy crap, look at it. It's also really heavy. Just hopefully I don't mess it all up. But yeah, this is insane. Okay, I'm gonna try and figure out how to open this up. It says unlock innovation right there. Okay, open that up. And wow, holy crap, that looks insane. All right, so it says UltraBoost 20, dear creator, we believe that great performance is an expected outcome when innovation and design are seamlessly integrated into the creation of high performance gear. All right, I'm just gonna take out the shoe from the box and holy crap, I got a really sweet pair to check out. And there's the UltraBoost 20. Holy crap, these look so awesome. The UltraBoosts are my favorite sneakers of all time. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard me say the word UltraBoost on every sneaker video I made so far. So yeah, I'm definitely the biggest UltraBoost fan around and I'm really excited about this pair. There's a couple things that are changed from the UltraBoost 19. One major difference in the upper this year is the addition of the tailored fiber placement technology, or TFP. TFP is the thick embroidered looking details around the edges of the toe box area, which give you more stability and durability around that area. These areas aren't as flexible and stretchy as before, but they do a better job at containing your toes. There's also an updated midfoot cage, which I think looks way better than the UltraBoost 19 cage in my opinion. It's a much cleaner and better looking midfoot cage versus the mesh on the UltraBoost 19. The midfoot cage also has a little TFP detailing as well to help contain your foot better. At the top of the tongue is the ISS National Lab Collab tag, which basically says Adidas CRS Boost in Space and the ISS National Lab logo. As you guys probably already know, ISS stands for the International Space Station, and this is a collab with their national lab. As I mentioned in the note earlier, this is because Adidas is apparently going to send some boost up to the national lab in space so that they can work on improving the boost tech even more, which is crazy, but hey, maybe those hypebeast astronauts will actually appreciate it, right? In the ankle area of the shoe, you'll see another major difference versus UltraBoost 19. There's still the prime knit tongue, but on the back you have a padded neoprene material, which is actually really appreciated and adds to the overall comfort. This extra padding around the heel area feels great against your foot, but also makes your foot feel more secure in the sneaker. There's still the same heel counter, which seems to be just an outline, just like the UltraBoost 19. Adidas calls it their 3D heel frame, which cradles the heel and holds it in place. I like that the heel counter actually spills over onto the Boost midsole and gives you more stability because it keeps the Boost in place. Coming to the back of the shoe, you have this nice padded neoprene material instead of prime knit. And I definitely like the way it feels against my foot, at least in this area. Another new addition is this bright orange accent here, which definitely stands out, but ties in nicely with the ISS collab. At the bottom, there's the Continental outsole, which is the same rubber used on Continental tires. So you know this is gonna last you a very long while. Below that is the white Boost midsole. There's actually 7 colorways of the UltraBoost 20, 3 of which come with an iridescent purple midsole. But I'm actually a fan of the white Boost midsole, so I actually preferred this colorway instead. I also like how they chose to use that iridescent purple on the heel frame and the midfoot cage instead. It's a little more subtle, a little bit more style, so I actually really like how this looks. It definitely looks very space-like for sure. I mean, I guess it's meant to make you think of outer space when you look at these sneakers, and it definitely does a really good job at doing that. If you're wearing these out, people are definitely going to ask you about your sneakers. Alright, so that was a quick unboxing and overview of the UltraBoost 20. Let's take a look at these sneakers on feet. Alright guys, so that was a quick unboxing and overview of the UltraBoost 20. I'm working on my review of these sweet sneakers. You guys know I'm the biggest UltraBoost fan around, so I'm actually really excited to test these out. If you guys have any questions, remember that you can ask me right in the comment section below, or you can ask me right over on Instagram or Twitter at ClintonJeff. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button right below and maybe subscribe, because that would be appreciated. A huge thank you to Adidas for sending me a pair early to check out. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.